So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Stremio error fetching item data, invalid HTTP status, fix add-ons and cache. So fix 1 is clear the app cache. In Android, Fire Stick and Google TV, open device setting, navigate to apps, then Stremio. Select clear cache, then force stop the app, reopen the app. In Windows and Mac, open Stremio and go to setting, gear icon, click on advanced or performance, locate and clear cache. Second fix is toggle or fix add-on order. Open Stremio on a web browser, add Stremio web or launch the desktop app. Click the puzzle piece icon. Select installed add-on from the left menu. Identify any recently added third-party streaming add-ons. Example Torrentio, Cyberflix, Nightcrawler. Uninstall each community add-on individually. Return to the home screen to check if the error is resolved. If the error is gone, reinstall add-on one at a time to identify the problematic one. Third fix is change your DNS setting. Open Stremio setting, the gear icon. Go to the General tab, look for the DNS setting or DOH. Turn it on and select Cloudflare or Google. Restart the Stremio app. Fourth fix is log out and log back in. Click setting. Scroll to the very bottom of the menu. Click log out. Fully close the Stremio app. Then open Stremio and type in your username and password to log in fresh. So thanks for watching.